Well, today's another day. It's I don't know the date. Let me try to check. Okay, again. Well, today is the 9th of April. It's around 2 p.m. 2:30. I need to be out. Heading out to Subaru to check out the Crosstrek. We're trying to get an XV Crosstrek. So yeah, we're replacing the Jeep. And ano in English mo ko? Sab. Makalimot yung gubay ba? So, padung ko sa Subaru Glen Waverly. I'm going to check out the Crosstrek and we'll see how we go. We've talked to these guys before and we're just finalizing everything. So, yeah. So, what's nice aning among lugar is that in front there, in gawas din mo sa esquina, that's a train station. So, mas tayo ka maka-travel to the city because you're near the train station. So, that's it. So, this is the black Crosstrek. So muna siya ang Crosstrek Subaru. Color's good, not bad. Kato siya ang Impress, I reckon, but muna siya ang katong dark blue. Ang usa ka color nga we're interesado po is kato, that one there, which is the Oasis blue. But yeah, muna 18 rims. Yeah, taas siya og taas siya and elevated, should be good. The interior, so dako siya screen, 11-inch, pretty comfy. Yeah, kaya kayo nice. So just finished. What the fuck is going on? So basically we're done with everything. Yeah, kanang na-approve tayo ng kanang kuan loan. Paspas pa kayo as in quick review kayo. And I'm in Costco right now. Nagdala di kong trolley. Fuck. Need to go back and get the trolley then. This is dumb. I'll just hold it. Kanang tiko ano canis then. Yeah, I need to go back down and get some trolley. Fuck. So this is the future me. Nag-edit ko and then I found out that after na ko niya to Costco, gikapoy ko. Forgot a lot of things because nibalik ko, nagkuha ko Afghanistan and everything else, and langas kayong mga langgam mo sa mga, but that's fine. Anyway, to, wala na nitabo. Tulog na ko. Pag wala ang tulog, wala na ko gibuhat, wala na ko mag-vlog. Gihasulan ako sa life. Ay. Maing buntag bay. Maing hapon na di ay. Wala mahuman akong vlog hapon kay kanang wala lang siya mahuman. And right now, madung ko kanang Knox because I'm gonna get a quick haircut. But the thing is, nalimtan na ako ang glasses. So, balik. And na auto nagparking ari. Kanang nag-ayo ni siya sa Pikas Balay. So, na diridipit sa amo. And na ako di parking but I have to move the car outside. There you go. Okay, sunod na balik. Well, there's a problem, okay? I could not find my glasses. I just found this one. Katong dugay na ako ng glasses. But I had a new one which I can't find, so problema. I have 4 glasses. Ang usa nabilin sa venue. Ang usa wala ko kibaon sa nitabo. Last na ko gidala to nag-travel ni sa Thailand or sa Pilipinas. Third one, I had that one made bago pa kay siya. But it's kind of big, and so I've been using this. So kung wala ko glasses, makadrive, makita pa ko pero blurred. So asa na ka to? Usually diri na akong butang, wala man siya diri. So kani siya shades man ni, bata na siya grado. Ay ko gina mag shades ko maski magbasa. Anyway, ohoy dara di ay. So here's my other glasses which is there. Kapoy lang ko balik sa sulod. Nakari. Anyway, let's go. So one of the things na notice na ko sa Australia is that a lot of times people move. Like ang mga tao nag-abang ana. They always move like from time to time. Like for example, after 3 years, after 4 years, move sila balay, mubalhin sila balay. Sa tuwa kay kung makapuyo ka na ng balaya as much as possible, ganahan maka magstay dito. Like ang uban mag-squat gani. It's not a good thing. But yeah, kumadala ang imong mga apo at tupugin magpuyo and pila na ka generations you're living in that house and sa rental na siya. So dire, the thing is ang mga rentals na may contract on how long you stay. And maski balay like it's not just kanang rental lang nag-boarding house ka unsa or apartment ana. Dire kay naay kanang tagal and ang pricing goes up in time, stricto sila. So sometimes what happens is ang nag-abang dili naka-afford. So they try to move other houses. So kung normal na kay nga ring mag-move of house like every year na ay murag assessment, they're gonna check your house and then mo decide ang kanang tag-iyang magsaka og rent unsa. So, mo na one of the things na akong na-notice during a difference sa tuwa is yes, we do that pero wala gid tay set of rules nga every year kanang ay murag assessment, they're gonna check the place if it's saning turn signal na ko they're gonna check the place if it's good. Okay. Attend na. So wala gid na mag-drive ba. So they're gonna check the place if mayo ni pagkagam, and also they can change the pricing anytime. Pwede nila sakaan ang pricing, and if your ang house kay limpyo permi lang nimo ginaalagaan or imong ginatarong, so ang tag-iya makakuan nga di na ko ni isa kang precious, and that's what happened to us. We're in that place for around, let me see, 4 years already, I think. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So mag 5 years mi karong August na nga place. So we've been there for a while. And muna siya, and lucky lang ni nga ang tag-iya sa balay wala kay niya sa kayang presyo. So during the pandemic wherein everybody had problems, we did have problems. And the place was good when we started living there. Gimor siya ginindot na ba. Although na siya may mga things, hindi siya perfectly brand new, but it is very good. It's very clean. So we tried to keep it clean. Nakalisod lang pala mga oil, luto ni mo nagkakay oil everywhere. But anyway, yeah, we've been there for like almost 5 years now, and it's doing good. And muna ko ingon nga mga tao like our neighbors nga kanang okay ra gid, wala gid problema nga neighbors, ganahan ko ng neighbors, they don't bug us even though sa langas me. The thing is they moved, and times ako. Yeah, and as I was saying, those neighbors, they moved. Korean neighbors na siya bata, and then I thought they were just on a holiday. They gipak nila ilang bisikleta sa bata bunsa, and I just realized that they moved, and suddenly pagkanan ako 2024 wala na sila diha, they moved, and kind of sad because although wala kami magka bonding, wala kami magka kanang neighbors takag pagsudan diha na dapat magtagad me whenever we go out. So mura kong na wala na akong neighbors, new neighbors na, and the new neighbors are, I'm not sure yet because they're new, but the thing is muna siya. And yeah, so people moved, and people move muna siya. So that's it. So I'm here to buy a dumbbell for Laura and also get a haircut, but ang tangon sa ating white lens kay matanggal niya tangari ay na music copy strike ta. Stop na lang. Just getting a haircut na. Hey man.
Alay.
Man ako gutupi. Limpyo. Kuman karon mangita na tag baka. Steak mate. Uy, na-upgrade. Sizzle steak na de. Kita ko para beef steak. Asa man to? Lamb na. So usually kung beef steak kaning mga nipis, sizzle steak, no, not that. Asa man to? Grass fed mahal. So there you go. Ano siya? Ni daog mo ni siya kani kanang so mo ni siya kanang thin slice kay humo kayo kay scotch fillet. So mahal doon nga beef yun, scotch fillet niya hindi kini siya yeah, beef steak na mo niya. So yeah, done. Tag dumbbells for Laura and some stuffs, but I need to go back in. Bugat karon kanang palitag pagkaon para ka Laura, kasi It's a get about yet. So we're getting oh me Wagyu. Yeah. Wagyu. Yes. Okay, so nagkalampati lang akong vlog karon and I don't know. So dili lang tingin ako to. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, sure basig na mahitabo niya akong video bar. Yeah. We'll see you tomorrow guys and hopefully enjoy your day.